Charlie! Lola? Charlie! Charlie and Lola! We do promise, honestly, we can look after your dog. Say woof, Charlie.
Woof.
Sit.
Woof. I have this little sister Lola.
Good doggy.
She's small and very funny.
Walkies. Come on, Charlie. Walkies.
At the moment, Lola really wants to have a dog. But Mum and Dad says she can't because our flat is too small
Walkies.
and Lola is too young to look after one.
Come on, Charlie. Let's go for a walk. There.
My cereal bowl is now a dog bowl.
Oh, how sweet.
And she has made me a dog bed.
Hey, boy.
Lola just loves dogs a lot.
You ask. You ask. No, you ask. No, you ask.
So one day,
you.
Dad took us to the park.
You ask.
There was me and my friend Marv,
Why me?
Lola and her friend Lotta, and Sizzles.
Look at Sizzles.
Sizzles is Marv's dog. Lola loves Sizzles,
Oh, look at him.
but so does Lola's best friend Lotta.
I like Sizzles. You ask. No, you ask. Go on, ask. Marv, can we look after Sizzles?
Lola, do you know about dogs?
Yes, I do. Everything. So do I. We know that Sizzles is a very clever dog. What about tricks? Yes, we know he can do very good tricks. If he wanted, he could roll over and jump over things and walk on two legs and dance and speak English. Definitely, I think. Lotta, do you know? I think Sizzles can do really anything. Wow. Anything. Sizzles is the cleverest dog ever. Anywhere. In a whole wide world.
Yeah. Hey, watch this. Sizzles, sit. Sizzles, Sizzles, sit. Sizzles, sit. Sit. Sizzles, sit. Phew. Good. We could play just one game, Marv. But who is going to look after Sizzles?
Me! Please, me. Me. First.
I'm not sure. It is only for a little while. He'll be okay with Lola and
I
Lotta.
want to. Me.
Well, I'm pretty sure he will. Okay, but you do know that there are lots of rules if you want to look after Sizzles. No chocolates or cakes, or no sweets of any kind. Completely no digging. And no splashing in puddles. No chasing birds. And no taking him off the lead. So you will take extra special care of Sizzles, won't you?
We will, Marv. No, we won't. We won't, Marv. Yes, we will.
You won't take your eyes off him for 1 single second.
Not a second.
Do you honestly promise to look after my dog?
Honestly, we do promise. Honestly, to look after your dog. Honestly and promisely, we do. Dad, come watch me. Over here. Hey. Ma, pass it to me. Dad, over here, look. Go. Lola. Hi, Charlie. Hello. Dogs must be stroked and patted to tell them we are their friends. Good boy, good boy. Playing? Well, playing is what makes dogs happy. And grooming makes dogs feel pretty. I'll groom him. I'll groom him here. Let me. Or maybe here. I'll groom him. I'll groom him here. Let me. No, you groom them there. No, here. Dogs must go outside and must walk. Otherwise, what is the point of the legs? He's having fun. Look, he's smiling. Lotta, I don't really think know all about dogs like me. Lola, I really do know everything about dogs. But you see, Lotta, you must hold the lead like this. See? Oh no, Lola, you really must do it like this. But Lotta, I'm in charge. So am I. Yeah, we're both in charge. But I think that Marv said that I was a little bit more in charge than you. My turn. My turn. My turn. I'll just have one more turn and then it's your turn. Whoops. Oh no.
Oh, hey! Ah, yeah!
I am the shape. I am the shape. I am the shape. I am the shape.
I am a circle.
I am a triangle. I am a square.
I am a rectangle.
I am the shape.
I am a triangle. Okay, this cone has no ice cream. Match the cone that has vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Did you guys get it? Yes, that's right. It's an ice cream. Smart thinking. Well done, Shapes. That was a good dance. Now, it's time to get back to your show. Here you go.
Scissors! Scissors, where are you? Here's Scissors. Here's Scissors. Here's Scissors. Oh. Scissors, where are you? Scissors, where are you? Scissors. Go! Scissors, Scissors. Here's Scissors. Scissors. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Scissors! Scissors, where are you? Do you think we have lost him forever? I think he was sad, actually. Look! Lotta, look! Scissors! Scissors! Oh no! There are two Scissorses! No, Lola. There are two dogs. Only one is Sizzles. But which one? I don't know. A clever one. Sizzles can do anything, remember? Yes, Sizzle can do anything. Yes, Sizzles can sit. Sit. Sit, sit, sit. Sit. Sit, sit, sit. Sit, sit, sit. Will you sit? 1-0. 1-0.
That was a great game, wasn't it, Marv?
Please sit. I think we have broken our promise to look after Sizzles. Yep. Sit down. Sizzles! Look at Sizzles! Sizzles! Sit. Oh no. Oh dear.
Hey, Lola. Hey, Lotta.
Come on, you two. Dad says it's time to go.
Hello, Sizzles. How are you doing? Did you miss me?
Oh dear.
Lola?
We had Sizzles, and we were looking after him, and he sort of went for a walk without his lead.
Come on, give it a go.
And then we couldn't see him anymore. And then we saw him, but he wasn't one. It was 2 Sizzleses. 2 Sizzles. And so I'm not sure that Sizzles is Sizzles now.
Come here. Get off, Sizzles. Look here. Dog number 144. Sizzles. Owner, Marv Lowe. 5A Crocodile Street. Yeah, that's his dog tag. It's got his name and address on it, in case he gets lost. All dogs have them.
We knew that, actually, Marv. Yes, all dogs. Just in case they get lost.
Yeah, that's right. Just in case they get lost. Now come on, Dad's waiting.
But Sizzles would never get lost. He can do anything. Yes, he can. Because he's clever. Yes, he can absolutely do anything. I told you he was clever.
Yeah. Come on, Sizzles. We're going home.